word with you.
Sure, Sammy, what's up?
May I have a word with you in private?
It's just us. Samantha's out.
No, in private, without the dolls and all.
Okay. What is it?
Susie, I urgently need to make a couple of stylish accessories, really small.
Like this?
Yes, right. Also, they should be trendy and stylish and useful. Oh! Unicorn school supplies! Unicorns are always trendy.
Unicorns? School supplies? Sure, no problem.
Hooray! Guys, do you like unicorn-style stuff? Suggest your ideas and we're off to create!
Hey guys! Sam even made a list here of what he wants to make today. Well, I don't mind, especially since these are all unicorn crafts.
Yes, and your best unicorn craft assistant is already here.
Tell me, assistant, why do you need all these items from the list?
Well, it's for a slime charity fair.
What? I didn't know they had fairs like that. Okay then, let's get at it. We'll start with a cute mini backpack.
You'll need a zipper for this backpack. I'll get it. I'll be right back.
Oh yeah, you're right. Thanks. I guess Sam really needs these unicorn crafts. I wonder. Guys, do you have any unicorn items? Comment and tell me what you've got. So we're making our backpack out of craft foam. And in order to shape it, we need to trace the lines with some tool that's not very sharp. Like this. See?
Here's a zipper.
You're like a zipper yourself, Sammy. You picked a very nice color.
Thank you. I tried very hard. Oh no! Why are you cutting it?
Well, we want it to match the size of our mini backpack.
Oh. Okay then.
Sammy, tell me more about this slime charity fair.
What fair? Oh, right, the fair. There's nothing to tell about. By the way, it's a unicorn craft, right? Then I'll go make ears and the horn.
Oh, great, Sammy. And I'll cut off all the excess. We only need to glue this part to the backpack base. Guys, do you believe Sam and this slime charity fair business? It sure sounds suspicious to me. Agreed? At least he never mentioned it to me before. So the zipper is glued. Now we can easily unzip our backpack and zip it back up. Now let's decorate our backpack with this pretty golden cord. Oh!
You need it too? Here you go then.
Creating crafts with Sam is twice as interesting. Subscribe to our channel and no craft will ever seem boring to you ever again. I guarantee it. There, just a little bit more, and great!
My parts are great too.
Wow, they're beautiful! Let's glue them in place. 1, 2, and 3. And we'll decorate the horn with these cute flowers here. They make unicorns even prettier. You don't mind, do you, Sammy?
No, it looks awesome! Let me add the final touch. Dun, dun, dun. There. Ready.
Wonderful, Sammy. It's not the final touch, though.
It's not.
Well, how will you wear it? Let's glue these golden straps to it.
Oopsie. Yes, sure. The accessory should be practical.
So we need to fasten the straps in the holes really well. Be careful, like this. There. Now we'll do the same with the second strap. It's ready, Sammy.
Wow, it's beautiful, Susie. Even better than I expected. Now she'll definitely...
She? Well, okay then. So next we're going to make a unicorn pen. Well, that's easy. We already made one. It was full size, remember? Give a thumbs up if you saw that unicorn video. So we need to recreate this design in a mini size now.
Here you go, mini ink rod.
Great, Sammy. Remember how we made that big pen?
Of course I do. It's unforgettable and cool. Everyone needs to hurry up and watch that video.
I think after you recommended it, everyone will be sure to watch it. And this is going to be our ice cream cone.
Here's our next phase. Even 2.
Awesome, Sammy. I do everything faster here with your help.
Well, yeah, I really want to present it to her. Oops!
This mysterious her again. I wonder what that's all about. Who are we making all these crafts for? Any ideas, guys? Okay, so this is our base.
Time to decorate!
Yes, Sammy, you're right on time. By the way, tell me, who are we making these crafts for?
No one, it's unicorn practice, because we love unicorns!
Yeah? So it's not for the slime charity fair anymore?
Here you are. This is the horn and nail polish. You finish here with all the details.
Okay.
And I'll go prepare stuff for the next craft. I forgot what's next. Okay. Oh, right.
Sam's behavior is getting curiouser and curiouser. This is the pen we made.
So, Susie, I brought you a full set here for our next craft.
Wow, Sammy, it's a whole rainbow.
Sure, what else can you draw a rainbow with, you funny girl?
Sammy's right, our next craft is a mini pencil case.
With a fun pattern. It's very important.
Sure, Sammy.
And while you're busy working, I'll make mini pencils.
Oh, wow, cool! And our craft foam pencil case will be like this. Now we need to carefully glue our pencil case together on the sides. Nice and slow. It's very small. The same on the other side. And for the most interesting part, guys, we need to make a pattern on our pencil case. Look how cool it came out!
What came out cool? Where? Oh, it is cool! I think she'll love it.
She again? Sammy!
Well, the unicorn, the one you're drawing.
Yeah, right. Like I'm going to believe you. Oh, you Sammy. All we have to do is add some shine to the eyes. And of course the golden horn. Right here.
Here's some stuff to put in our pencil case.
Oh, this cord will come in handy too.
Oh, it's even more beautiful now.
And now let's fill our pencil case with neat pencils made out of toothpicks. They're so cool, right? Kudos, Craftsman Sam. We'll definitely need paper to make a notebook. Look here, guys. I divided this narrow strip of paper into 2.5 centimeter wide sections, and now I'm bending them. As a result, we have this kind of snaky thing.
Snakey? Susie, she's probably afraid of snakes.
Sam!
Oh, I'll go get the paper for the notebook.
You know what? We'll finish our last craft, and then I'll be sure to learn what it's all about. As for our strips, we need to glue them together. First, this way. And now, to turn our little snake into notebook pages, we need to glue the sides together. See, this way we get pages.
Susie, I found a cool cover.
Oh, lovely! Why does it look so familiar?
Because it was lying on your desk.
Oh, right! I forgot all about it. It's so great you found it. It is so perfect for this.
I brought some decorations here, too.
Oh, colored beads? Sammy, you are being truly amazing today. I can't recall the last time you were so eager to make crafts.
Well, it's a special occasion.
That you'll tell me all about?
Yes, sure. Are you done here already?
We only need to decorate our notebook with our cord. There. Carefully on the sides. And done!
Stop looking at it and put it here.
Sammy? Guys, let's follow Sam and see what he's up to. He's heading to the Barbie dolls. Sammy, what's going on?
Ew, you shouldn't scare me like that.
Come on, Sammy, out with it.
Okay. You know how much I like Barbie dolls, right?
Uh-huh.
But this one's my favorite, so I wanted to give her a present. Do something nice for her.
What about all the other Barbies, though? You think they'll enjoy being left out?
No.
Come, there's enough for all of them here. Well, I hope you're happy now.
My favorite Barbie girl loved what I did, and she agreed to go out with me. Well, let's get going.
Sure, go ahead. Guys, if you liked our mini unicorn crafts, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye now!